In this short tutorial, we will go over the process of importing users from a CSV file to your multilingual site using the Import Users from CSV with Meta plugin and WPML. You will learn how to translate the front-end import page and translate the default and the custom email notifications sent to users. Of course, you need to have the WPML Core plugins installed and activated. To install the Import Users from CSV with Meta plugin, click the Add New button, then type in the plugin name in the search box. Now, click the Install button, then activate the plugin. To facilitate the translation process, we are using WPML's Advanced Translation Editor, which allows you to translate the content of your site automatically using machine translation. To activate it, navigate to WPML, Settings. Under the How to Translate Posts and Pages section, choose to use the Advanced Translation Editor for new content. Now that our website is ready, let's go over the different options that the Import Users from CSV with Meta plugin offers. Under Tools, click the Import Users from CSV. This is the import screen. Here, you can control the main options for importing your user's CSV file. On the Front-End tab, you can control the settings of importing users from the front end. Let's go ahead and copy the shortcode and create a page under the default language that allows us to import users from the front end. Add the page title and any content you want to add to the page. Now paste the shortcode, then publish the page. Let's see how the page looks on the front end. As you can see, we have the page title, the content, and the user's import form. It's worth mentioning that the file uploading text here cannot be translated using WPML, as it's a browser-driven text. This means that the language of the file uploading text depends on the browser language. To translate the text here and the Upload and Process button, go to the WordPress admin area and navigate to WPML String Translation. There, use the search box to look up the text that you want to translate. Now, click the Translations link. The text highlighted in yellow here is the already available translation. If you wish to override this translation, simply add your own translation and tick the Use My Translation option, then save. Now that we translated the user's import form text, let's translate the form page. Go to Pages, All Pages, and click the plus icon under the language you want to translate your page into. This takes you to the Advanced Translation Editor. Click the Translate Automatically button to add the machine translation. Review the translation and make sure that it's accurate. Now click Finish, then Complete to publish the translated page. Let's take a look at the translated page on the front end. As you can see, the page title, content, and the user's import form are translated. When importing new users or updating existing ones, you can choose to send notification emails to them. On the Mail Options tab, you can find the default email template. To translate this template, navigate to WPML, String Translation. From the Text Domain drop-down menu, choose the Admin Text ACUI Mail Body Text Domain. Here we have our email content. Click the Translations link to add the translated text. Make sure you translate the content of the email only and not the email shortcodes. Now, mark the translation as complete and save. You can translate the email subject by following the exact same steps, but this time choose the Admin Text ACUI Mail Subject Text Domain. You can craft a custom email template by navigating to Email Templates, Add New Email Template. I already have created one here. To translate the custom email template, click the plus icon. Again, this will take you to the Advanced Translation Editor. Click the Translate Automatically button and review the translation. Also, make sure that the email shortcodes match the default language and aren't translated. Now, save the translation by clicking the Finish button, then Complete. Your users will receive the translated version of the email if you import users using the translated version of the user's submission form on the front end, or if you set your user's profile to the secondary language. With that, you learned how to import users to your WPML multilingual site using the Import Users from CSV with Meta plugin. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel, and if you don't want to miss more tutorials like this, click the notifications bell and YouTube will let you know when we have new videos uploaded. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.